We're ESTV, and this is Poetry Day. Hi, what's your name?
Sakurako, Jadine, Lucy.
And what's your poem called?
Once Upon a Time.
And what's it about?
It's about how the world has evolved.
Can you give us a line from your poem, please?
A meteor struck the earth, ending a period of life.
Thanks for sharing. Hi, what's your name?
Ryan. I'm Zachary.
And what's your poem called?
A brother.
And what's it about?
It's about a brother, like what is he like?
And could you give us a line from it, please?
A brother is a built-in relative, a built-in partner, a built-in friend, and sometimes a built-in pest.
Thanks. Hi, what's your name?
Isaac. Jehan.
And what's your poem called?
Macaroni and cheese.
And what's it about?
It's about making macaroni and the cheese.
You guys did a really good job out there. Could you give us a line from your poem, please?
Okay.
So it says serve each other.
Thanks for sharing. Good job on your poem. Hi, Miss Collins. Why Poetry Day?
Hi. Poetry Day, I think, is a great opportunity for all the children to express their emotions and get it out on the page, then use their courage to get up and share their emotions with the rest of the school.
Thank you. And could you give us a line from your favorite poem, please?
I sure can. Seamus, digging, and it was, let me have a look, between my finger and my thumb, the squat pen rests, I'll dig with it.
Thank you, Miss Collins. What's your name?
Sohan. Manny.
And what's your poem called?
My Fuji family.
Fuji family.
And what's it about?
It's about basically a football family and where they play in their positions. So it's technically
And
about
how they play.
And could you give us a line from it, please?
Granddad's in the goal.
You did a great job out there. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
Yuna Kiana.
And what's your poem called?
I wrote a rainbow unicorn.
And what's it about?
It's about a rainbow unicorn and someone's riding on it and imagine, and it's like someone riding on it and then you can imagine how it feels like.
Can you give us a line from your poem, please?
I fed him lots of siestas since they always made him fly.
Thanks.